The Ducati Streetfighter V4 is an unapologetically aggressive naked superbike that delivers pure performance with an untamed attitude. Powered by the same 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine found in Ducati's Banagel, it produces staggering horsepower, offering explosive acceleration and breathtaking top-end speed. Its stripped-down design exposes the mechanical beauty beneath, with sharp lines and aerodynamic winglets providing both style and stability at high speeds. Every detail is engineered to thrill, whether on city streets or the open track. Its chassis combines lightweight aluminum construction with advanced suspension for razor-sharp handling. The fully adjustable Showa fork and Sachs rear shock work with Ducati's electronic systems to keep the bike planted in all conditions. Brembo-style brakes provide incredible stopping power, allowing precise control even at the limits. The aggressive riding position puts you in command, letting you feel every nuance of the road while keeping the Street Fighter's raw power under control. Technology plays a huge role in enhancing the experience. The Streetfighter V4 comes equipped with Ducati's advanced electronics suite, including traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, quick shifter, and multiple riding modes. The TFT display provides a wealth of information in a clean, easy-to-read format, ensuring you can focus on the ride while staying informed about performance and safety systems. More than just a motorcycle, the Ducati Streetfighter V4 is a statement of intent built for riders who demand uncompromising speed, agility, and style. It's equally at home carving through mountain passes or making its presence known on city streets. Every twist of the throttle delivers a surge of adrenaline, while its design commands attention from every angle. It's not just a ride, it's an experience that turns every journey into a thrill.